Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with a snowy day vlog. One awesome recipe for lunchbox and also first day to school in Canada, that too in icy cold weather. If you like my videos, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Sunday evening it started to snow, and even in snow we have to keep all our trash outside so that early morning Monday they will pick up the trash. Sunday late in the evening it started to snow, and this snow is going to continue till next day evening. That is what we saw in the forecast. Now it is next day morning. You can see how bright and beautiful it is to see snow everywhere. Still snow is falling. I don't know whether you are able to see or not. Still there is snow showers. Here in Canada in forecast we checked all through the month of January. Every week twice at least there is snow. Just simply at least little bit of showers will be there. That is snow showers, like how we will have rain or showers, like that here always there is snow showers. But today what we are seeing is heavy snow. This heavy snow we have seen after a very long time we have seen, and we are really having fun time in our backyard. As it's a snowy day, we were playing in snow for a long time, craving for something hot, spicy and tasty. Happy food is a must. What would come to my mind other than our all-time favorite chicken biryani for lunch? Playing in snow is real fun, but later on this cleaning is no fun at all. Maybe it is fun for the first time or second time, but I am sure third or fourth time it is no fun. I am sure. You must clean all the snow before it freezes, because next day kids have school and we have to take the car and you have to remove all the snow from the driveway and even in the walking path as well as from the car. If you don't remove it, the snow will be freezing overnight and it will become black ice everywhere. Let's now start the recipe of the day which I am sharing with you all. I have taken onions, bell pepper, that is red bell pepper, and coriander chopped, and few spices. You can see it is turmeric, garam masala, pepper powder, salt and chili flakes. That's all. I have taken it with chicken, minced chicken. To that I am adding all the ingredients. Along with that I will be taking butter and roasted chana dal powder. That is the chana dal powder which we use for making coconut chutney, pottu kadalai or putana we say. That is the powder it is. Even if you don't have this, no problem, add extra breadcrumbs if you have bread, or if you don't have bread, add this powder little extra. I am adding both in equal proportion. That's it. These all I will be nicely mixing it. Along with that I will be also adding 1 egg, ginger garlic paste and lemon juice. All this I will be adding and nicely give it a good mix, and I will be keeping it in the fridge overnight. As it is late night, I am not making the patties right away. I will mix it and keep it in the fridge. These burger patties can be made little bit fried, half fried, and kept frozen. It is always ready in just 5 minutes whenever you want to have burger, sandwich, or even for your tea time snack. You can use these patties and also by the side of lunch. It's a very quick and easy recipe. I will be keeping it in the fridge, and next day morning for school I am making sandwich. Instantly I fried only one patty to make the sandwich for the lunch box. For snack time I will be giving apples, cookies, and some marshmallows. Apples, I will always keep apples for just 5 minutes in the saline water. This water is nothing but sugar and salt together. Put in water and wash the apples. These apples will be without changing color all day long. This is mid-morning snack box, and now it is lunch box. I always buy either it is brown bread or multigrain bread or whole grain breads. I never buy white breads at all. Take any sauce of your choice, and also after adding the patty, give some nice good fiber to it by adding lettuce, tomatoes, or even cucumbers. I don't keep cucumbers and tomatoes because it will release lot of liquid and the sandwich will become soggy. For that reason I keep only the lettuce. As you all know, our pod has not yet come, and I have bought already the tiffin boxes there in US itself, but pod is not yet here, so I had to go and buy tiffin boxes from here in Walmart. Again, fill it up on the other side with some cucumbers and some chips as well. That's it. Our lunch box is also ready. When these chicken patties are ready, your lunch box will be almost ready in just 10 minutes. This kind of lunch box you can just prepare in 10 minutes. Outside the weather is very cold. It was minus 17 to 18 degrees. For school, kids have to come in boots, snow pants and jackets, as well as gloves and cap. They should have a changing pants and also changing shoes. After playing in the recess, they will have to again change their clothes and shoes. It was so surprising for me to see these all are single pods here. Each and every class is a pod. This is for 6th graders or 5th graders, like that. Other kids all will be in the main building. This is the main building of the school. What is more surprising here is when the weather is very cold, when it is minus 17 degrees outside, the kids have to wait until the school opens by 8:30. Until 8:30 they never open a single door or single gate. All teachers will be opening exactly at 8:30. Even if you go by 8 o'clock, 8:10, 8:20 or 8:25, you will not be able to enter the school. All kids are playing in this snowy weather or even cold weather. Even if it is not snowing, you have to wait outside only. Now when I came back home, I continued making all these patties. I will be preparing the burger patties and keeping it in the freezer. I just made patties and just fried it 50 to 75%, not fully well done. I will be frying it again whenever I want. I will just take it and keep it for some time outside and refry it and make the sandwich or burgers. These are multi-purpose patties which you can use in various ways. You can also use as chicken and paratha roll, and also for sandwiches, for burgers, and also by the side in your lunch. Now I have fried everything and I will let it cool completely. Later on I will just arrange all of them in a box and keep it in the freezer. Hope you all like this recipe and this snow day vlog. Do sure, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I will be back with another wonderful video. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.